Hi, this is MarcTutorials and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Lightroom mobile tutorial and Lightroom preset giveaway. Here's the before and after photos using the Airy and Light Pastel preset. So let's start. In this video, I will show you how to edit Airy and Light Pastel in your phone using Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Let's start in the Light tab. Adjust the contrast to -49. Highlights to -100. Shadows to +60. Whites to -49. And black to +45. Here's the adjustment on the tone curve. Let's proceed on the Colors tab. Adjust the temperature +15. Tint to +35. Vibrance to +63. And saturation to -21. In the color mix, adjust the red saturation to -25. And luminance -3. In orange, adjust the hue to -16. Saturation to +18. And luminance +8. In yellow, adjust the hue to -45. Saturation to -11. And luminance to -52. In green, adjust the hue to +28. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -5. In aqua, adjust the hue to +48. Saturation to -60. And luminance yellow +31. In blue, adjust the hue to -42. Saturation to -28. And luminance to -13. In magenta, adjust the hue to +17. Saturation -20. And luminance to +14. In purple, adjust the hue to -13. Saturation to +28. And luminance to -12. Here's the adjustments on the split tone. It is important to understand that there are no ideal settings for all photos. After all, we take photographs under different lighting conditions, with different equipment, so sometimes adjustment will be necessary,